So here's something pretty interesting. I got the Firebox Stove burner today in the mail, and I got it because I own a couple of Firebox stoves. They're fantastic, and I wanted the option of a gas burner. But also, it seemed to me that if the Trangia burner could be retrofitted to a Firebox stove, then the Firebox stove could be retrofitted to a Trangia burner. I hadn't actually seen anything online about that. I hadn't seen anybody demonstrate that. So after I unpacked it, one of the first things I did was check whether that was the case. And I'll show you that now. So take a look at this. And here you get that fantastic, satisfying snap. And it's there. Otherwise, it operates totally normally. And I've hooked it up to butane, propane, works great. And so, of course, it would look like this if you were setting it up. Voila! You've got a beautiful burner. And of course, what is really cool, and this is why I was so interested in figuring out if this worked properly, was because one of the drawbacks to using a burner or the alcohol burner in the in the Trangia stove is that the flame is fairly concentrated. So when you want to use the fry pan, you have a rather significant hot spot in the middle there, and it really kind of falls off toward the edges. Well, of course, the Firebox stove comes with the diffuser plate. And I've already tried this out. Basically, what it's doing is it's making the heat end up right about here. So you have the same distance from the outside of the flame to the inside to the middle. And basically, you're hitting it just right in the middle. And it seems like it's just about perfect. I'll have to make a few meals on it to really try it out. But I'm pleased as punch because I just felt that this diffuser plate would make all the difference for the Trangia fry pan. Anyway, so it works. It works perfectly. It fits perfectly. And the diffuser plate gives you extra utility that you didn't have before. Great job, Firebox.